By 2035, AI could replace 90% of all jobs. The shift has already begun, and the workforce as we know it may never be the same. But the real question is, where will you stand when the AI revolution takes over? In this video, we'll break down 5 industries AI is set to completely transform, and what you can do to stay ahead. Automation isn't just a future concept. It's happening right now. Take Amazon's warehouses. Over 750,000 robots are already replacing human workers. And customer service. AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Google's Bard handle over 60% of online inquiries, without needing a human. By 2035, AI could replace over 1 billion jobs globally. Which industries are most at risk? Let's start with the biggest one, manufacturing. Why pay humans when machines can work faster, cheaper, and without breaks? Tesla's Gigafactory already uses AI-driven robots to assemble cars with minimal human involvement. Amazon and FedEx are testing fully autonomous delivery drones and self-driving vans. By 2035, factory work, trucking, and warehouse jobs could be close to zero human involvement. But while some industries disappear, new ones emerge. Let's move on to finance and banking. Would you trust a human or an AI to manage your money? Over 80% of global stock trading is already controlled by AI algorithms. Banks are replacing financial analysts with AI that predicts investment trends, approves loans, and detects fraud. As traditional finance jobs disappear, AI-driven investing and crypto trading are booming. But what about industries that directly impact human lives? Let's talk about AI in healthcare. AI can diagnose diseases with 95% accuracy, often outperforming human doctors. The Da Vinci surgical system is an AI-powered robot that performs precision surgeries with zero human error. But while AI assists doctors, it's replacing roles like radiologists, lab technicians, and hospital admin workers. Now, let's look at another critical area, education. Education is moving away from traditional classrooms to personalized AI learning. Khan Academy and Google's AI tutors create customized learning experiences for every student. Ash can teach at your own pace, 24/7, with personalized lessons, replacing some human instructors. Even universities are adopting AI-powered grading systems. But what about jobs that will actually survive the AI takeover? Not all jobs will disappear, some careers will become more valuable than ever. The safest jobs are those that involve creativity, human interaction, and AI development. Fields like AI engineering, cybersecurity, digital marketing, and high-level creative roles will be in huge demand. The key is to learn AI skills now, before the shift happens. AI is evolving faster than ever. The world is changing. Are you ready? If you want to stay ahead in the AI revolution, subscribe to Next Gen AI Chronicles now and turn on notifications. The future won't wait, let's build it together.